You ever look at old jeans and think, I can't wear these, but I also can't throw them away? So I was scrolling through Pinterest and found over 25 denim home decor ideas I just had to share with you. These are actual pictures I found on Pinterest, and I've linked the board in the description so you can see them all in one place for reference. And while you're here, I want you to vote on your favorite idea in this video. Once we hit 100 votes, I might recreate the winning one in a future video. All right, let's jump into these denim home decor ideas. Most people hear upcycling jeans and immediately think shorts, tote bags, maybe a patchwork jacket if we're feeling ambitious. But today I want to flip that idea on its head a little bit. Because denim doesn't just belong in your closet, it actually has a whole second life in your home. Instead of turning old jeans into something you wear, we're turning them into something you live with. Think cozy throw pillows on the couch, textured wall hangings that actually make a room feel designed, little storage pieces that look like something you bought from a boutique. But you made them from a pair of jeans that were probably sitting in a drawer. Some of these ideas are simple, some are a little more detailed, but all of them show just how far denim can go when you think outside the box. And honestly, that's what makes this so fun. It's unexpected. Nobody walks into a room and thinks, oh wow, is that denim? They think, that actually looks good together. There's something really satisfying about taking a material people usually associate with clothing and letting it completely change the feel of a space. It's still the same denim, just with a different job now. And I think that's the part people overlook with upcycling. It's not just about saving fabric or being resourceful. It's about reimagining what something can be when you stop using it the normal way. So instead of asking, what can I make to wear out of this? We're asking, what can I make my home feel like with this? And denim? It turns out it's really good at that job. If this inspires you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more inspirational sewing, upcycling, and tutorials. It really helps the channel grow and lets me know you want more ideas like this. You'll also find a tutorial list linked in the description below if you want to explore more projects and step-by-step guides.